When moving to OpenBuildings Update 9, you will now have the ability to add multiple rule files for the architectural, structural, and mechanical rules. So this means you can use the delivered rules for the majority of your annotation standards, and then create custom rules for other annotations and add these to rule files in your WorkSpace and WorkSet. For instance, in this architectural plan drawing, I am using the delivered door, space, and window rules to annotate these elements. However, I'm not happy with the location of the door bubbles, and I would like to change this rule in my WorkSet. So first I need to make sure that I have a rule file in my WorkSet. I will navigate to the WorkSet folder, Training Template US in this case, and select the Standards Rules folder. Here I can see that I have several rules which I have renamed with the prefix example. So for the architectural rules, I will be using example architectural. Now, where did this file come from? Well, I just copied the architectural.rule file from the regional dataset, which was dataset US. And then I pasted it here and renamed it. The renaming is optional. And as noted in another video, I edited the WorkSet config file to include the new ATF file underbar drawing rules underbar WorkSet config pointing to this file. This all needs to be in place before creating the custom rules. Now let's go back to the drawing and create a new custom rule. I'll open the set reference presentation and select the door rule. Select Modify Rule. Select Copy Rule. Now give the rule a new name. I would suggest prefixing your new rule with something that helps identify its location. And you might use an underbar or asterisk to help sort your custom rules to the top of the list. They do sort alphabetically. You could also use the description to identify the rule's location or when it is to be used, such as project door rule or a schematic design door rule. Then select the destination, in this case the WorkSet, and the rule file, in this case example architectural. Then customize the rule. I am only changing the position of the annotation relative to the door. Select Save. I can select my new rule and select Update. Now the new rule replaces the delivered rule. But note that the delivered rule is still available to be used. Now I will simply refresh the annotations, and the door annotations are relocated based on my new custom rule.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.